What's up guys, this is Pro Warriors. Kick.com is a new streaming platform that has making waves in the world of online gaming. If you are looking to get started with Kick, the first thing you need to do is set up your stream. In this tutorial, we will show you how to stream on Kick using OBS Studio. First, head to the Kick website, which is kick.com. Then you need to create an account. If you don't have it, just click on sign up button at the top right corner. I prefer to use Google or Apple account to sign up because it's secure and easy to memorize. Then give a unique username and date of birth. That's it, you got a Kick account. Once you have done, go to the creator dashboard. You will find it at the top left corner under the section of profile icon. From there, click on edit stream info in the bottom right corner. Here you will be able to set your stream title, categories, tag and language. So type your stream title and select the game category. Actually, it's the game name that you want to play. Text option is not available yet. Once you have done, click on Save button. Now it's time to set up OBS Studio. If you haven't yet, you can easily download and install OBS Studio from the official website. OBS Studio is available for all operating systems and it's absolutely free. Once you have opened OBS Studio, here what you need to do, click on the file, then settings in the top left corner. You will need to go video to ensure that your video settings are correct so that everything looks good while you are streaming on Kick. You should have your base resolution and your output resolution at 1920 into 1080, your common FPS values at 60. Click on Apply button to save the settings. Now click on the Stream tab and select Custom as your streaming service. It will ask you for the server and stream key. To get this information, you will have to go over the Kick. Head to the Settings tab on the left hand side of the Creator dashboard. From there, click on Stream key. Then copy your stream URL and stream key using the button provided. Paste in the stream URL you copied earlier on the server box. Now copy your stream key from the Kick Creator dashboard and paste it into the stream key box in OBS Studio. Finally, hit the Apply button to save the changes. Now head back into settings, but this time go to Output. Adjusting these settings will ensure that you do not have a laggy or crappy stream. You will need to remain on the streaming page right now, but make sure that output mode is set to advanced. In the Output tab, Studio settings, make sure your encoder is set to NVIDIA NVENC H264 and your rate control is set to CBR. Your bitrate should be set to 6000 to 10,000, but it depends on the speed of your internet. And for other settings, see how I have set the next settings. Again, click on the Apply button to save changes. Now switch to Audio tab. Set your sample rate to 48 kHz. For your desktop audio, leave it at default or adjust it based on your status. Now let's add a video source in OBS Studio. Click on the plus icon under the section of Source. Then select Game Capture, or you can try Display Capture. Give a name of your stream. It will help you to identify. Now open the game you want to play on your computer. Choose a capture specific window under the option of mode. Select your game from the window list. Then click on OK button. Now that's all, your settings have been updated and your Kick account has been linked to OBS Studio. Let's start streaming. Head back to the main screen and press Start Streaming. It will say connecting and then this will change to Stop Streaming. Once this changes, you will know that you are live. Now you will want to return to Kick website, go to the dashboard and click on channel. You should be able to see that you are live. That's it. If you think this video is useful, please like and subscribe to our channel. No more today. See you in the next video. Take care.